to learn a poem that having the beautiful message. This poem is composed by Paul King, and through this poem Paul King gave a beautiful message. So, let us get started. The name of the poem is Pine Tree and Reed. Pine tree are the trees, these are known for their height, they are too much heighted, and on the other hand reed is a kind of a small plant like the grass. So, pine tree is showing the proudness about himself and talking with the reed. This poem is composed in 2 stanzas, each stanza having 4 lines. So, you are small and weak, the pine tree said, to the swaying reed by the stream below, whereas I am stately high above you, and you have more to show. In the first stanza, pine tree is telling to the reed that you are so small and you are so weak, as look at me, as I am high, I am heighted, and I am in high position, and I can watch everywhere and look at you how poor you are. So, in the second stanza, reed was actually listening properly. Reed was not giving any type of answer, and reed was listening properly, and in the second stanza the reed was silent, but as soon after this a gale began to bluster and burn. The rigid pine tree snapped in the wind, but the plant reed bent unhurt. Now, the pine after some time there was a gale come. Gale, that means a strong wind, we can say the storm, and the reed was silent at that time when the pine tree was talking with the reed. Reed was not giving answer. After some time there was a gale come, and after with the heat of the strong wind, and the cluster, the rigid, the hard pine tree which are known for the height, hard pine tree was snapped, broken down, and the reed was stable there, reed was unhurted there, there was no any harm to the reed. So, this poem actually conveys the message. So, we should be bent and we have to be polite behavior. If we have polite behavior, then we can survive properly. Otherwise, that will be difficult, just like the pine tree. Thank you.